So find the equation of the line parallel to the line 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0 and passing to the point minus 2 comma 3x. They already given one line here. This equation is 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0. You find the line here parallel to the given line here and passing to the point minus 2 comma 3 minus 2 3. So if lines are parallel then their slopes are equivalent. So you know that slope of this line is given. Suppose ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the equation of the line here. Then its slope is given by the formula minus of a divided by b, minus a upon b. Therefore, the slope of this line is minus of 3 divided by minus 4 here. 3 divided by minus 4. Minus upon minus become plus here. Hence it is 3 divided by 4 here. If the slope of this line is 3 by 4, then slope of this line is also 3 by 4 only. M is equal to 3 divided by 4 here. Because both are parallel to each other. If lines are parallel, then slopes are equal here. So take your solution here. So 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0. Taking this one as equation number 1 with the given line here. Given the straight line here. It's a slope. Its slope is m is equal to minus of 3 divided by minus of 4 here. Okay, 3 by minus 4 and here minus 6. Using that formula, minus of minus becomes a plus here. So plus 3 divided by 4 here. Okay. So since required line is parallel to 1, is parallel to 1. Therefore, slope of required line is also 3 divided by 4 here, because they are parallel to each other. Therefore, equation of the line. Therefore, equation of the line passing through the given point minus 2 3 with the slope 3 upon 4 is y minus 3 is equal to 3 divided by 4 into bracket x minus of minus 2x. You are using the formula y minus y naught is equal to m into bracket x minus x naught here. Use this formula. X naught is minus 2 here, y naught is 3 and m is 3 by 4. Using the formula. Take 4 this side, cross multiply. 4 into bracket y minus 3 is equal to 3 into x plus 2. Take 4 inside the bracket here. 4y minus of 12 is equal to 3x. 3 2s are 6 here. Now take all the term left side here. So minus of 3x here plus 4y minus 12 minus 6 equal to 0, or minus of 3x plus 4y minus of 18 equal to 0. Usually the x term always a positive here. Yes, so multiplying both sides by minus 1 here. So that is multiply both sides by minus 1. Hence we get the 3x minus of 4y plus 18 is equal to 0 here. So this is the required equation of the line. Even you can use one more method here. There is one more method here. Suppose any line parallel to the line. Suppose equation of this line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay. Then any line parallel to this line is of the form ax plus by plus k is equal to 0. Okay. If lines are parallel, then x y terms are same here. Only difference in the constant k. Therefore, any line. One more method here. I am explaining here. Any line parallel to the line 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0 is of the form is of the form 3x minus 4y keep as it is here. 3x minus 4y write as it is here. Instead of plus 2 take here plus k is equal to 0. Take this one as equation number 1 here. Okay. So lines are parallel. So write these two terms as it is here. Change only the constant k here. This line passing to the point minus 2 3 here. This line passing through the point minus 2 comma 3 here. So substitute x value minus 2 and y equal to 3 here. So 3 into minus 2 minus 4 into 3 plus k that is equal to 0. 3 2s are 6 here minus 6 4 3s are 12 plus k is equal to 0. Minus 6 minus 12 is a minus of 18 plus k is equal to 0. Hence k is equal to 18. Use this k value 18 in the equation 1 here. Therefore 1 becomes equation 1 becomes so 3x minus 4y 3x minus 4y plus 18 is equal to 0. So same result you will get here. Okay. You may use this method or this method here. Okay, which one is easy for you? You can use that one. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಈಸಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. No problem. So find out the equation of the line perpendicular to the line x minus 7y plus 5 is equal to 0 and having x intercept 3 here. Suppose this is a line here. Consider this is a line here. They already given its equation is x minus of 7y plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. Then here we have to find this line here perpendicular to the given line. And has a x intercept 3 units here. This is x axis here. X axis and this is a y axis here. It is a rough diagram here, not accurate diagram. Even in examination, you will not draw this one. In examination, you will not draw this one here. It is only for your reference here. So this is the origin here. Then x intercept is a 3. They are already given here. Here x intercept is a 3. Means that line passing to the point 3 comma 0. Then find the equation of this line here. You know that two lines are perpendicular. If product of the slope is minus 1 here, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, then two lines are perpendicular here. First find the slope of this line here. Okay, consider m1 is the slope of this line and m2 is the slope of the required line here. Therefore, take your solution here. X minus 7y plus 5 is equal to 0. Take this one as equation number 1. Be the given line here. Be the given line. It's a slope its slope is m1 is equal to minus 1 upon minus 7 here. Okay, 1 upon minus 7 and minus 7 here. So this is 1 divided by 7 here. 1 upon 7. Then since given line perpendicular required line here, since required line is perpendicular to the line of 1 here. Therefore, we have it's the slope m2 is equal to, take its reciprocal multiply minus n here. So it is a minus of 7 here because take its reciprocal multiply minus n here minus 7. So its a product is what here minus 1 because you know this condition here. If m1 m2 is equal to minus 1, then only two lines are perpendicular to each other. Hence, since the required line is perpendicular to 1, we have its a slope m2 is equal to minus 7 here. And this line makes x intercept 3 here. That is a line passing through the point 3, 0 because it makes x intercept 3 units here. Means the line passing to the point 3, 0. Therefore, equation of the line passing through three, 0 with the slope this minus 7 is y minus of 0 minus of 7, then x minus of 3. Again you are using this formula, y minus y naught is equal to m into bracket x minus x naught. You are using this formula. Okay, x naught is 3, y naught is 0, m is equal to minus of 7 here. Therefore, y is equal to minus 7 into x minus 7x minus into minus plus 7 is 21 here. Take both the term left side here. So 7x plus y minus 21 is equal to 0. So this is the required line here perpendicular to this line here. Even you can use one more method here. Or okay, suppose the equation of the line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 here. Then the other line is perpendicular to this one here. In that case, equation of this line is given by bx minus of ay plus k is equal to 0. Means interchange a and b terms here. Interchange a and b and change its sign. If here plus sign, if here plus, write here minus. If here minus, write here plus sign. Then instead of c, constant c, take up here. Okay, therefore any line perpendicular to the line so x minus 7y plus 5 is equal to 0 is of the form okay, interchange x and y coefficients here. So write first 7x here, then 1 into y, so y here. Then just change the sign here, minus sign is there, write here plus. Instead of plus 5, write here plus k. that is equal to 0, equation number 1 here. Okay, so interchanging here x and y coefficient, interchange and b, so b and a, then change its sign minus here, replace the c by k. Even here also interchange x and y coefficients, so 7x and 1y, change this sign here minus, so write here plus sign, instead of plus 5 write here k. This line passing to the point 3, 0, this line passing through this line passing to the point 3, 0. Therefore 7 into 3 plus 0 plus k is equal to 0. 7th is the 21 here. 21 plus k is equal to 0. Hence k is equal to minus of 21 is. Use this k value in the equation 1 is. Therefore 1 becomes equation 1 becomes 7x plus y minus 21 is equal to 0 here. So this is answer here. You will get the same result here. So in examination you may use this for method here or this method. And this diagram is not necessary. You will not draw this diagram in the examination here. So find angle between the lines here. Root 3x plus y equal to 1 and x plus root 3 into y is equal to 1 here. So you know, suppose ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the line here. Then the slope is given by the formula minus of a divided by b. Okay, this is that formula. Take your solution. Root 3x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. Take this one as equation number 1 and x plus root 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. Take equation number 2. Be the given lines here. With the given lines. Therefore, its slopes are m1 is equal to minus of root 3 divided by 1 here is equal to minus root 3, and m2 is equal to minus of 1 upon root 3 here, 1 divided by root of 3. Let theta be the angle between the two lines here. Let theta be the angle between the lines 1 and 2 here. Therefore, we know that the formula angle between the lines is given by tan of theta is equal to modulus of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2 here. Okay, this is the formula. Yes, tan of theta is equal to modulus here. Here m2 is this here minus 1 by root 3 minus of 1 by root 3 minus m1 is minus root 3 here. Minus of minus plus root 3 divided by 1 plus minus 1 by root 3 into minus of root of 3. Okay, then modulus complete here. Tan of theta is equal to tan theta is equal to, here LCM is root 3 in the numerator, so modulus here, so root 3 is the LCM, root 3 that is the denominator, root 3 into root 3 becomes 3, right? This minus 1 as it is here, minus 1 plus root 3 into root 3 becomes 3 here, and here this root 3 cancels here, minus and this minus becomes plus here, so 1 plus 1 here. 1 plus 1. Then this equal to 3 minus 1 becomes 2. 2 divided by root of 3 divided by 1 plus 1 becomes a 2. Okay. Therefore this equal to this 2 and this 2 cancels here. Remaining is 1 by root 3 here. So theta is 1 by root 10. Theta equal to 1 by root 3. Hence theta must be 30 degree. Okay. So theta is equal to 30 degree. Angle between two lines 30 degree. This is acute angle here. If you want to obtuse angle 180 minus 30 becomes 150 degree here. Okay. Or theta is equal to 180 minus of 30 degree. So therefore, theta is equal to what here? 150 degree. If you want only acute angle, this is a formula. If you want both acute as well as obtuse here, then the other angle must be 150 degree. Means if two lines intersect like this here, one angle is acute angle here. This is 30 degree. Then the other is 150 degree. So this acute angle and this is a obtuse angle here. The line to the points H3 and 4, 1 intersects the line 7x minus sin y minus n equal to 0 at right angles. Find the value of h here. You know, suppose the line passing through 2 points here. So x1, y1 and x2, y2 here. Then the slope of the line is given by the formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus of x1 here. And if you know the equation of the line here, so ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then the slope of the line is given by minus of a divided by b. So therefore in this example here, slope of the line, passing through the points of H3 and 4, 1 is take M1 here. 1 minus 3s divided by 4 minus h. 4 minus of h here. So minus 2 divided by 4 minus of h here. Okay, we are using this formula. Similarly, slope of the line, so 7x minus 9y minus of 19 is equal to 0 is m2 is equal to minus of 7 upon minus 9 here. So 7 divided by minus 9 here. Minus upon minus become plus here. Plus 7 divided by 9 here. Since both are right angles here, since both lines are right angles, since both lines are perpendicular to each other, therefore we have the condition m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1 here. This is a formula. So m1 is this here. So minus of 2 divided by 4 minus h here. 4 minus of h into m2 is this here. 7 upon 9 here. So 7 upon 9 that is equal to minus 1 here. Here left side this minus and this right hand side minus get cancels here. Next take this term right hand side here. Here you can multiply 7 to the 14. So 14 is equal to, okay, 4 minus h here. Okay, so 9 into, otherwise write 9 is left side only. Okay, write 9 left hand side here. Then take only 4 minus h right side here. 4 minus of h. This minus becomes a plus here. Take this 4 minus h this side here. Therefore 7 to the 14. 14 divided by 9 is equal to this side. Now we take h left side here. Minus become plus here. Then this term right hand side minus of 14 divided by 9 here. Therefore h is equal to 9 for the 36 minus of 14 divided by 9 here. 9 is the LCM here. So 9 for the 36 here. Therefore h equal to 36 minus 14 gives 22 divided by 9. 22 upon 9 is the answer.